How to add recently added contacts on Android. In order to do that, you may follow up this method. So open up Contacts, the application Contacts, and once you are there, you should be finding this interface. So what you can do in order to view the contacts is, in the bottom of this Contacts application, you should be finding a Highlights option. If not Highlights, you can directly find a Recent option. All you gotta do is simply locate the middle option on your screen in the bottom. After you go ahead and tap on it, right here we will be finding all of your recent contacts that you've added or view. It will just appear right here. Right here it says we have no recent contacts, but if you have added or viewed a new contact, it will view and appear right under the section. So this is the method you can apply up in order to view your recent contacts. So that is how you basically do it. You may follow up this method to view your recent contacts in your Android device. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And we will see you on the next one.